Nutrition Project by Izzy and Ilana.
A comparison of two meals, one healthy, one unhealthy. We compared the amounts of fats, proteins, and carbs in these two meals.
Fats, composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, are broken down by bile produced in the liver that goes into the small intestine, and they help the body absorb fat-soluble vitamins, are part of the cell membranes, nerve cells, and hormones.
Proteins are composed of hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon. They're digested by pepsin in the stomach, absorbed through small intestine, and provide raw materials for growth of structures, control cellular chemistry, and have transport functions.
Carbs, which are made of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, begin digestion in the mouth that continues in the stomach and small intestine, and are the main source of energy for living organisms.
For fat, on day 1, we had 34 grams of fat, mostly from peanuts. There was 1.6 grams of saturated fats in the peanuts. We could have had 22 grams more, but we did mostly have unsaturated fats, which are found in foods like vegetable oil and are better for you than saturated fats. On day 2, we had 95 grams of fat, mostly from pizza and a burger. We could have had 39 grams less, but they were many saturated fats, which are unhealthy and come from animal fats.
For protein, on day 1, we had 94 grams of protein, mostly from chicken and pork tenderloin. We should have had 10 grams less. Proteins are commonly found in fish, meat, eggs, and milk. On day 2, we had 78 grams of protein from pizza and a burger, but we should have had 6 grams more.
For carbs, on day 1, we had 154 grams of carbs, mostly from rice and black beans. We could have added 57 grams, which would have been a healthier amount of carbs. On day 2, we had 310 grams of carbs, mostly from the pizza, Sprite, and Coke. We could have had 99 grams less, because 310 is too many carbs, which is not healthy. They also come mostly from sugars.
In conclusion, day 1, the healthy meal, had better levels of fats, proteins, and carbs, and therefore was a better model of how we should eat.
Thank you.
The end.